So now we have already completed or done this first question. Okay. So each of the following situation has the set of integers in that. And we already concluded that this was a function, this one, where the B part, it's not a function just because a single domain cannot support two of the ranges. So not a function over here. The third part is a function and the fourth part is a function as well. Though we can see that one of the ranges are empty, but it's still a function. And now we move forward to the next questions over here. So in part number 5, you can see that this is not a function because 4 is alone over here and 4 is not supporting anyone. So 4 with just because of this 4, this whole thing 2, 4, 6, 8 and 1, 2, 3 is not a function. Where in number 6, we can see that this is a function because one of the domain is supporting one of the ranges. Now we are going to start our class from question number 8 today. Just give me a minute. And where is the paint one? This paint one. Open the paint. And now over here. So now you will see that how am I going to solve this question number 8 here. Now can you see question number 8 in front of you, everyone?
Yes.
Okay, that's great. And we are going to solve this question. So the thing is, question number 8 is given the function g of x is mx plus c, and that g of 1 is 5 and g of 5 is minus 4. Find the value of m and of c, hence evaluate g of 3 and g of minus 4 over here. So what are we going to do? We are going to write the very first thing that g of x, the function is mx plus c. And now they say g of 1 is here. It means wherever is x, I'll put 1 in place of it. And in the next step, it says g of 1 is basically 5. So this is g of 1 and I'm going to replace it with 5. And that is going to become m plus c. And this becomes my equation number 1. Similarly, I'll write the function one more time. And this time, I'm going to look at it over here that this is g of 5. So wherever is x, I'm going to put 5 over here. And this is going to be 5. And see, where later on it says wherever you see g of 5, replace it with a minus 4. So I am going to replace it with a minus 4 and it's going to become 5m plus c. And this is my equation number 2. Now, when I made two of the simultaneous equations, I am going to solve it over here. So for solving simultaneous equations, we have got three of the methods. One of them is substitution method, the other is elimination method, and last but not least is the graphical representation method. So over here, I am going to apply the elimination method because it is one of the easiest one. So this is my equation number 1, m plus c is equals to 5, where my equation number 2 is 5m plus c is equals to minus 4, and I'm going to apply the elimination method over here. So this c and this c, I can see they are same, and with the help of this minus sign, I can cut them all. So over here, I can put this minus sign and the minus sign over here as well. So m minus 5m is a minus 4m, and over here 5 minus into minus 4 becomes plus 4, and 5 plus 4 is 9. So m's value is 9 upon minus 4, which will later be m is equals to minus 2 whole number 1 upon 4. So this is the value of m I got. So I am going to circle, I'm going to mark it over here because we need to find out the value of m. And to find out the value of c, I'll place the value in any one of the equation, like m plus c is equals to 5. And I'm going to replace m with minus 9 over 4 and plus c as it is, and 5. And then I'll put c over here and going to be 5 plus 9 over 4. And after taking out the LCM, this is going to become 4, where 1 fours are 4 and 5 fours are 20. And where 9 is here, c is equals to 29 over 4 is here, where 4 sevens are 28, 1 over 4. So the value of c is 7 whole number 1 over 4. And here is my answer. They wanted to ask me about m and the value of c, and I got it correct. Now, the next part, it says I have to find out the value of g of 3 and g of minus 4 as well. Now, they are two separate questions. And what I'm going to do, I know that the value of the function g of x is mx plus c, and I've got the value of uh, c and m both. So what I'm going to do, I am going to replace this mx plus c with 3 in place of x and the value of m and c, and I'm going to find it out. So what I'm going to do is, now you can see that I'm erasing this part in order to solve the next parts, g of 3 and g of minus 4. So what I'm going to do is g of 3, I'll write g of 3 and m of 3 plus c, where g of 3 will become the same. The value of m is minus 9 over 4 into 3 as it is, and plus the value of 7 whole number 1 over 4, or 29 over 4. If I write 29 over 4, it will be great. So 29 over 4, I the value of c and m both. And now later on, I'll solve it and find out the values. So how did we start doing this question? We made two simultaneous equations and we solved them and found out the value of m and c by the elimination method. And over here, they are asking us, hence evaluate g of 3 and g of minus 4. So how did I start evaluating? G of x is mx plus c is the main equation, where g of 3 is equals to m of 3 plus c, where I put the value of m and c here. And this is going to become now g of 3 is equals to minus 27 over 4, and this is going to be 29 over 4, and later on this is going to become 2 over 4. How? Because 29 minus 27 is a 2, because of the denominators were the same. So the final answer of g of 3 is 1 upon 2, and that is, I am going to erase this part. Okay, now the function is the same. G of x is equals to mx plus c, and over here now g of minus 4 is m of minus 4 plus c, and then the value of m is, what was the value of m? That was minus 9 over 4 into minus 4, and the value of c is 29 over 4, and I'm going to write like this. And this is going to be 36 over 4 plus 29 over 4. And when I'm going to add them both, 9, 6, 15, 3, 2, 6, 5, and 1, 6 over 4. So it is going to become 4 ones are 4, and 2 will be transferred over here. So 4 6 are 24. 1 over 4 is the value of g of minus 4. Okay, so take care of yourselves. We are ending up the class over here now. Allah Hafiz.